Guys, welcome to Super Tech. Today we are talking about MiBox 4K and let's get into the video without wasting any time. So let's start the video with unboxing of the MiBox 4K. This is the MiBox 4K. This is the power adapter. This is the HDMI cable that you get with it. And this is the remote, which has hot buttons on it of the OTT platforms like Amazon Prime and Netflix, and even has Google Assistant button. So after unboxing, these are some key specifications of the MiBox 4K. So after showing you guys the key specifications of the MiBox 4K, let's get into a quick demo video so that you have a basic knowledge of the interface of it. After demo, these are some things that we did like about the product and didn't like about the product. Coming to the ratings, we give it a 4 on 5 because it has some minor issues, but overall it is an efficient product. And if you are looking for something that makes your TV smarter and want to have a smart TV experience without investing much, then you can go for it. It is a great deal. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, then do subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, follow us on all the social media handles for regular updates ahead and much more cool stuff. Links in the description down below. See you guys in the next one. Till then, goodbye.